How to lock keypad on Nokia 110 4Z. Hello everyone, my name is Mal and in this video I'm going to show you how you can lock the keypad on your Nokia 110 4Z. So to know how you can do this, watch this video till the very end. The very first step is to open your Nokia keypad phone. After you open it, you need to tap on the top left button just like this. The button right here, you just need to tap it right here. After you tap on the top left button, what you need to do is press on the lock keypad option which you will see on your screen. After that, now you need to tap on the middle button, which is the very big button on the middle, and after that your phone will be auto locked automatically. After your phone is auto locked on the keypad phone, you can open and unlock it if you want to, and it is auto locked, and you can also lock it by yourself if you want to. So that's how you lock your phone. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment on the comment section below. Thank you for watching.